me, Olivia. Welcome back to Liv's TV. Today I'm going to be drawing a unicorn and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Just like always, hit the subscribe, hit the bell and like. So first we're going to make it like that. And then put a swirl like that. And then put this like that. So. I'm going to make the hair. And the hair will be like a rainbow thing. I was going to make it I'm going to give this unicorn a name, but I'm not really sure what the name is, so I'm going to leave that up to you. I'm going to do this there. These are eyelashes here, and then it's closing its eyes. And then I keep undoing the eyelashes. So this is the nose thing. This is the little nose, and this is the muzzle, and then the mouth, and then this will be the chest. The chest. And this won't be any hoof. This will be like feathers on her hoof. But I'm not going to make it look exactly straight. I'm going to go like in the middle here, so it looks like the feathers are actually bigger. Not like bigger, but curved. Then there, like that, and like that. So I think I'm just going to put the hoof there. I want to put it behind because I don't want to go in and then erasing all of the mouth, because the eraser can't really go like that much of a race, so my one can't do that much of a race, so I'm just going to do mine behind. Move on to the hair. So make a thin thing there and then there. Okay, just keep on going till you get 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so they both need to have 3 lines. So that's 1 space, 2 space, 3 space. 1 space, 2 space, 3 space. This is the tummy, and then these are, what do you call them? The fat part of your legs. Whatever, when they use them like that to when they're bending or something, I don't know. I don't know what those things are called, but you get it on real horses too. So how much is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that, and they just need to be 5 each. 5 each. And then do it again. The one behind will be 1 and a 2. Okay, and then put it like that. So there's the horn, and now this horse will have a cutie mark. I'll do a heart. like that, and then So it's going to have hearts for the key to mine. They're a bit bended because I'm putting it like that, like zzz. And then just do a line straight like that. And then just make a thin one. Doesn't have to be like so big. Or you could, or another, for example, or you can do it like big like that, and then you just put 2 lines. But I want to make it look good. And then there. Okay, so that's 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so that's good counted. And I'm gonna make like the choker. So I'm gonna put my like diagonal like that. This isn't My Little Pony. This is just a unicorn. I just want to make it look like Princess Celestia's. Okay, so I was going to make a diamond in front, but she's not facing the front. She's facing sideways, so I can only put half of the diamond. And then the diamond has shiny little crystals. Okay, and then make another spiral here. Yeah, I like that. And now we get to color. I will use this. I'm just gonna, you know how to use paint, don't you? Of course you do. I'm gonna be using turquoise. I'm just gonna put some here. Just don't want too much of it. I'm gonna test it. I don't want it too much. That should be good. I'm gonna paint the hooves. The part where there's no feathers. Where the feathers just stick out. So I'm gonna go and do all hooves turquoise because that's the colour I want the hooves. It would look crazy if it had rainbow hooves because I want it to be. I just want it to be. I think I'll do the horn. I don't know. Yellow, gold, like something like that. Okay, that's fine. I'll use the pink.